Hi, it's Paul here from the technical sales team, and today we're going to have a look at how you can connect your enterprise portal to the Geocortex SaaS environment by registering a subdomain. This allows you to access all of your portal content when you're building your Geocortex applications without having to install anything on premises. Let's have a look. Okay, so registering a subdomain has many advantages since it allows you to use the Geocortex managed SaaS environment to connect directly to your Esri ArcGIS portal installation. So this means you can use your enterprise portal for ArcGIS for authentication to the designers and viewer applications and gain access to all of your on-premises data and services, all while staying up to date using our SaaS environment. So no manual upgrades required using this setup. So if we, this is our apps.geocortex launch page here. So what we can do is choose just any of the applications. I'll choose Geocortex Web here as an example. And you'll see on every one of our sign-in pages for each of our designers, there's a link here that you can click on. So we're talking about subdomains. So if we need to create a subdomain, this will launch us right into our communities page. Okay, so this opens up an article and it just simply lists the steps on how to register a subdomain. By the way, if you're not signed in, just sign in with your ArcGIS identity and you'll have access to this article. So this article just has some good information here. So I just want to highlight a few things. So as I mentioned, all of the data within your portal can remain on premises. It doesn't need to be externally accessible. This includes all portal data and services. All of that can stay inside of your on-premises environment. How is this possible? All of our Geocortex products are hosted as static content within our SaaS environment. So when you open a Geocortex application, it simply downloads this content local to your machine, and then you're using your regular access that you have to your local from your local machine to your portal to access all the data that you need. So there's really no direct connection from the portal servers or data sent from that portal server over into their SaaS environment there. So it's a secure sort of setup. Just a few things to provide when you're providing the information that you to register the subdomain. So you simply create a ticket to our support team, provide a short name for your subdomain. So this is just a 2 to 16 character name. We suggest that you give us three choices. Just ensure that you get at least top three, one of the top three, in case there's one of them is taken, and there's less back and forth communication. And then obviously provide your portal URL for public access, and then just an app ID. So the app ID is sent to, or sort of created in your portal, and this is simply registers Geocortex products. This information is, like I said, sent to our support team. The domain is registered, and then you're all set to navigate to that domain and start building some Geocortex content. So very easy process to get this up and running. Okay, that's all I have for you today. Cheers.
Never miss a Geocortex Tech Tip. Like and subscribe below. And as always, you can learn more by visiting geocortex.com.